My MedStar Health journey began as a new clinician, where I was fortunate to be surrounded by people who are willing to provide mentorship and guide me through challenging clinical scenarios. Our goal is to take advantage of that cooperative spirit and enable all new hires to have that invaluable opportunity to learn from experienced mentors.
Here at MedStar Health, there are a wealth of opportunities for continuing education and mentorship. When I graduated, I actually came to MedStar Health because I was able to take part in one-on-one mentorship program with sports medicine that was composed of structured in the clinic and out of the clinic learning opportunities.
One of the many reasons I love working at MedStar Health is our many sports partnerships. We have over 100 partnerships, from professional athletes to high school and to college teams. Partnering with all sports and all ages allows me to treat a wide variety of sports injuries and conditions. We also have the tremendous opportunity to work outside of the clinic at sporting events like professional tennis tournaments, college championship games, and local marathons.
I have truly enjoyed being a part of MedStar Health since first becoming a part of this organization 5 years ago. And as a nonprofit, community-based healthcare system, we have the privilege of being partners with the communities that we serve. Through volunteer efforts and collaboration with various organizations, we can really be there for the people in the neighborhoods in which we ourselves live and work. And the community has responded in a positive way to those many interactions.
My journey began 12 years ago as a clinic director at one of our small sites. With hard work, support from my leadership, and a fantastic staff, we were able to expand our services to the community. 1 year later, I eagerly added another site to my leadership team.
Here at MedStar Health's Neuro Rehab Centers, we have the privilege of providing specialized physical therapy care for patients in a whole range of neurological conditions with the full spectrum of chronicity. We help patients who have just received a life-changing diagnosis to patients who have been living with their condition for years. We have specialized programs including a nationally recognized spinal cord injury program and a community reintegration program that helps patients transition from acute rehab to living as independently as possible in their communities.
MedStar Health Physical Therapy understands the crucial role mentorship fulfills, both for employees and for patients. The bonds and lessons that come from mentorship strengthen employee satisfaction, maximize collaboration across our interdisciplinary teams, and critically increase excellence in clinical care for our patients. To that end, we have worked to enhance mentorship opportunities within the network, including the development of a formal new hire mentorship program. This program provides new hires with foundational information, clinical resources, and opportunities for co-treatment across a 6-month period. Then, after initial mentorship, participants can enter an advanced clinical specialty program of their choosing. It is our belief that mentorship creates an environment that allows for advancement of clinical skills and enables our therapists to reach their personal career goals and provide optimal patient care throughout their career.
Fast forward to today, and we have an even more robust mentorship program where our goal is to ensure continued growth with this guided mentorship with a variety of learning experiences through one-on-one learning. This includes co-treatments and whiteboard sessions to focus on and break down specific areas of clinical expertise, along with time to shadow and work with our physicians, surgeons, athletic trainers, and strength coaches from the clinic and OR to the athletic training room and sideline. Our mentorship tracks are individualized to the needs of the mentee to ensure continued clinical and educational growth and development for both new grads and seasoned therapists that want to continue to hone their craft. My mentoring experience made such a difference that I am now a mentor myself to continue to provide that experience to other clinicians.
Working for an integrated health system like MedStar Health provides us the opportunity to collaborate with world-class physicians and surgeons. I've been part of research projects, clinical programming, and care planning with some of the region's most renowned surgeons. It's a tremendous learning opportunity, and it's exciting to be on the forefront of medical advancement and innovation.
Through our 53 locations offering physical, occupational, and speech therapy throughout the greater Baltimore, Washington, D.C., and Northern Virginia areas, we have a very strong reputation. Our 4.92 star out of 5-star Google rating shows that not only are we reaching our community, but we are also making a positive and meaningful impact on it, and it is being well received.
When I moved to another state, I found myself searching to somehow duplicate the MedStar Health environment, the culture. What are our spirit values? To put it plainly, I could not. 10 years after starting at MedStar Health the first time, I was overjoyed to become a part of the team once again as a staff therapist. moving quickly into a clinic director role, and now today, I'm a regional director. When I returned to this network, it was larger and yet so much stronger. I truly felt like I had finally come home to so many of my old coworkers and back to a culture in which I know and love. We are hardworking and we are passionate about what we do. We are honest about challenges and how to overcome them. Our vision allows us to grow as individuals, as a team, and to achieve more than any other network or business I have been a part of in my career. One thing I am most proud and most humbled by is MedStar Health's diligence in taking care of the team members. Mindfulness and resiliency activities, stress management workshops, yoga, walking groups, and so much more. Acknowledging the importance of our health and wellness, giving us a voice, and taking an active part in creating an environment that we can truly thrive in is such a gift.
Each day working at MedStar Health is rewarding and unique, a really special organization for both patients and clinicians.